Mastering contingency plans. Crises demand a crisis plan, or else. When a crisis arises, what are the procedures that its management team should follow to mitigate the operational and production implications, ensuring continuity and minimizing disruptions to its business activities? In the event of a crisis, the management team should follow a structured approach to mitigate operational and production implications, ensuring business continuity and minimizing disruptions. The following procedures should be implemented. 1. Initial response. Upon notification of a crisis, the management team should immediately activate the Crisis Management Team, CMT, comprising key stakeholders from various departments. The CMT will assess the situation, gather information, and establish communication channels. 2. Crisis assessment. The CMT will conduct a rapid assessment of the crisis, focusing on its impact on business operations, customers, and stakeholders. This assessment will help identify the severity of the crisis, affected areas, and potential consequences. 3. Activation of contingency plans. Based on the crisis assessment, the CMT will activate relevant contingency plans, which should be regularly reviewed and updated. These plans will outline specific procedures for responding to various types of crises, such as natural disasters, supply chain disruptions, or IT system failures. 4. Communication protocol. Establish a communication protocol to ensure timely and accurate information dissemination to stakeholders, including employees, customers, suppliers, and regulatory bodies. This protocol should define communication channels, messaging, and frequency. 5. Impact analysis. Conduct a thorough analysis of the crisis's operational and production implications, including supply chain disruptions, inventory management, and logistics. This analysis will help identify areas requiring immediate attention and resources. 6. Prioritization and resource allocation. The CMT will prioritize actions based on the crisis's severity and business impact. Resources will be allocated accordingly to address critical issues, ensuring efficient utilization of personnel, equipment, and budget. 7. Business Continuity Plan Activation. Activate the Business Continuity Plan, BCP, to ensure minimal disruption to business activities. The BCP should outline procedures for alternative work arrangements, data backup and recovery, and critical business process continuity. 8. Supply chain management. Assess the crisis's impact on the supply chain and develop contingency plans to mitigate disruptions. This may involve identifying alternative suppliers, rerouting logistics, or expediting shipments. 9. Employee safety and well-being. Ensure the safety and well-being of employees, providing support and resources as needed. This may include counseling services, temporary relocation, or alternative work arrangements. 10. Stakeholder management. Engage with stakeholders, including customers, suppliers, and regulatory bodies, to provide timely updates, address concerns, and maintain transparency. 11. Continuous monitoring and evaluation. Continuously monitor the crisis's progression, reassessing the situation and adjusting response strategies as needed. Evaluate the effectiveness of contingency plans and identify areas for improvement. 12. Post-crisis review and improvement. After the crisis has been resolved, conduct a thorough review to identify lessons learned, areas for improvement, and opportunities for growth. Document best practices and update contingency plans accordingly. By following these procedures, the management team can mitigate operational and production implications, ensuring business continuity and minimizing disruptions to its activities during a crisis.